Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make your own 2021 planner. Now a few days back, or a few weeks back actually, I posted a video where I reviewed the Factor Notes planner, 2021 planner, and that planner is so beautiful. I love it and a lot of you guys loved it as well. But the thing is, I know a lot of students cannot afford that planner or any other planner for that matter, because planners are always expensive. But I have a solution for you. You can make your own 2021 planner and it is going to look just as professional and beautiful, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to take you through the whole journey of making your own planner. So I'm going to use Canva to make the planner, so anyone can make it because Canva is free. Of course there is a pro version, but I use the free version and it has so many features and it's just as useful. So all you have to do is go on the canva.com website and start working on your planner. And if you don't have a laptop, then you can download the Canva app in your phone and make your planner. And even if you don't want to make your own planner, you will get to learn how to use Canva, and I will teach you everything in this video, so you can use all of this information to even make your own portfolio, any report, assignment, anything. So trust me, this video is going to be helpful, especially who are absolute beginners when it comes to Canva or anything as such. So let's get started. I really hope that you will enjoy this video. So we will start with Canva, www.canva.com, and in the search option just type planner and then you will get a bunch of templates that are regarding weekly planners and all. So you can definitely choose one and start working on it and start customizing it. But we will start with a blank canvas. So just choose the blank canvas and start working on your 2021 planner. So first we will give the name to our planner, that is 2021 planner, so that you save the file properly. Then we will change the color of the page. Now you can start with a blank page, that is a white paper, or you can change the shade. So you can make the shade lighter or darker, and then you can change the color as well. So I think pastel colors are always good for planners because they look really bright and all. But for the one that I'm showing you, the first page I'm going to keep it simple and white, and for the other pages I'm going to choose pastel colors. So let's start with the white one. Now in the elements section we are going to choose flowers and then leaves. So in the leaves option you will get a bunch of stickers, and I really love the elements option of Canva. So we will choose this garland thing because I really like it. Now it is completely up to you what you want to make and if you want to have a particular theme for your 2021 planner or not. So just be creative, but I'm just going to give you an example. So after choosing the garland, we will go and choose a text. Now in Canva there are so many different kinds of texts available, like the fonts are so good, so premium, and they look absolutely aesthetic. So after going through all of them, you can choose any one. I'm going to choose this particular one and delete the a gift thing and just go with this particular font. So we will erase it and write this planner belongs to, because that is usually the first page of the planner, and we will set it inside the garland and it looks really nice. Now we will go and search for a line in the elements option and go for a hand drawn line, so it looks really aesthetic and so that it goes with the vibe of the planner. And now we will change the color of this because I don't really like this red color. We will make it gray and it will look really nice. So after that we are going to type 2021 and place it at the bottom so that we know that this is the 2021 planner. You can totally skip it if you want, but I really like the idea of the year being written. So this is our first page and I think it looks really great. Now we will go to the second page, which is all about the top goals, and I've already chosen a yellow color and written top goals. Now from the element section I've chosen this white flower and we will then duplicate it, that is copy and paste 4 more times so that we have 5 flowers. And You can add as many flowers as you want, that is as many pointers for your goals, or you can have 5 to 6 flowers, that is 5 to 6 points, and then you can print more pages for this. And then again we are going to use that similar hand drawn line thing and place it beside the flower so that you can write your goals on the line after printing it, or you can also use a PDF editor and write everything that you want digitally as well. I think this looks really great, and of course you can go for a different color flower, so that's completely up to you. Now for the reading goal part, I've chosen this particular color and then search paper in the elements section. I really like this particular pinned post-it and we are going to set it over here. So I just want this to be there so that you can write a particular number. So maybe you want to read 50 books in this particular year, that is you want to read 50 books in 2021, so you can write 50 over here on this post-it. So that's why I have chosen this thing, so you can have that particular goal in front of your eyes. So we will set it, and after that we will create some other space to write something else. Maybe if you have any particular name of books that you want to read or whatever, so we will create a space where you can make some other notes as well. So for that I've just chosen a simple square thing from the element section, and then we have chosen this line, hand drawn line that we already used before, and change the color, and then we will again duplicate it, that is copy paste, and set all these lines in their places so it looks like a really nice paper. See, it looks so pretty. And then we will go and search books in the elements section. This one is really cute, so I'm just going to set it on the top of the square that we created, and we will just tilt it a little bit so that it goes with the whole vibe, and I feel it looks really nice. So again, it's completely up to you how creative you can get with this whole thing. That's the whole idea. Next we have the self-improvement part. So for the self-improvement part, I had this in mind that I'm going to create 4 different blocks for 4 different things: work, mind, finance and body. So just choose a square from the element section and then place it as per your likings. So it looks like you have 4 different blocks for 4 different things. So I think the self-improvement spread looks really nice and organized. Now next we will work on the favorite quotes part. Now here I've already created this in the same fashion as everything that I did in the previous spreads, and for this I am going to stick different flowers. Now you can make as many copies of this favorite quotes page, so you can write as many quotes as you want. So this looks really nice. Now next we have the vision board, and for the vision board just search for box in the element section and you will get this one. It looks like a patch of paper. I really liked it, and then changed the color to white because white really went with the whole vibe of it. And then this is how it looks like. I have actually copy pasted 5 more such boxes, and then search for washi tape in the element section and you will get so many colorful washi tapes, and you can change the color as well. I also got this clip, so it's like a paper clip, and I added it to the next one. So just be very creative and try different colors and make it just as customized as you want it to be. Now in the note to self spread, I wanted to create this chat box kind of thing, so that's why I searched for chat box in the element section, and I really liked this particular one. So I chose that and changed the color to white, and I have copy pasted it as well. So I have got 2 of these two, so you can write anything you want, and I really liked it. You can also add some other stickers. Now we will go and work on the monthly spread. So first comes the cover, and for the cover you can be as creative as you want. Now January reminds me of winters, and that's why I've chosen the color blue because it's kind of goes with snowflakes, and searched some elements in the element section and got this thing, a frame kind of thing that you can stick to the corners, and then you can just copy it, like duplicate it, and flip it. Then I searched for snow in the element section, and I liked this sticker and changed the colors to pastel shades, and I think this goes with the whole vibe of January. Now for the weekly spreads, I'm going to search for weekly planner in the templates, and there are so many templates available, and it completely depends on your requirement what kind of a planner you want. So just go and search all of these and see which one suits your requirement the best, and of course you can then customize it as per your needs. So I'm just gonna pick this blue one. Now I will customize it as per my needs. So I'm just going to remove that pattern, that white pattern, and change the color, the background color, to the color of our theme, so the blue one. And then we will remove that weekly whatever it was written, and we will just write week number, so week 1. And you can definitely choose to only write week and add a line for you to write the week number for every single week, so you can do whatever you wish for. I'm just showing you this as an example. And then I'm just going to add the agenda for that particular week, and then we are good to go. So this is my take. Now definitely if you want something else in the page, then you can definitely go for that, but for now this looks really good to me. Now for the mood tracker, I've just written mood tracker, and I've set 31 flowers for every single day, so you can color the flower for the particular mood that you're feeling, and that's it. Now you can add as many pages to your planner as much you want, so you can add a habit tracker and whatnot. So it's completely up to you, and maybe you can go for different themes for every different month. So because February is all about Valentine's, so you can make it a month about love and hearts and pink and pastel color to always looks pretty. So it completely is about your personality, and I really hope that you like this planner. So that was the planner that I created, and I really hope that you all liked it, and if you did, then definitely like this video. By the way, I have provided the link of the PDF of the planner that I showed you in the description box. You can click on it and download the planner, so you can use that, or you can use it as an inspiration. So definitely download it and just be very creative. Now you can definitely print out the planner, and you don't have to spend a lot of money at once. Print some pages maybe for the January month, and then when you create the February spreads, you can print that out in the month of February. So in that way you don't have to spend a lot of money at once. And if you don't want to spend any money, then you can definitely use a PDF editor and use this planner digitally. I have showed you an extension in my Chrome extension video, which will help you to use any PDF documents and edit and write on it. So watch that video if you don't have any idea how to use a PDF digitally. So I really hope that this video was helpful and you learned something. That was my intention behind this, and I'll see you in my next video. But definitely make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you are notified with all the further updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.